Hello YouTube. Good morning. I just wanted to do a quick little update on my maples. These are the ones I grew from cuttings 4 years ago. I just wanted to show you they're still alive. I haven't done much with them, as you can see. The one on the right looks particularly frazzled. But I promise you they've both gotten the same amount of neglect, so I don't know. But I want to repot this one into a bigger pot, which I'm going to have to wait until fall. And this one, I think I want to just start to try to bonsai now, because I think I'm ready for that one. But this one, I want to get a little thicker. Alright, that's it. Just wanted to give you that update. Have a great day.